Could Aki Hayakawa become a Hashira in Demon Slayer? Demon Slayers typically have tragic backstories in which a powerful demon kills someone they love or just wipes out their entire family. Aki's family was wiped out by the Gun Devil. Dead family? Check. Aki also has incredible skills with his sword and has gone toe-to-toe with Katana Man, the Ghost Devil, and countless zombies. While he still has room for improvement, his determination is clear and could probably manage to pass final selection with ease. Lastly, one classic requirement of being a Hashira is accepting you're probably gonna die. Aki is told by the future devil that he's going to die, and it doesn't faze him, so he's definitely got the right attitude. That's why we believe that with some time and training, Aki could become a Hashira. I bet he'd master a breathing style. It would be a new technique known as cigarette breathing.